Hello, I am standing virtually in the middle of the Pacific Ocean on the highest point in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, right here, Kilauea. Look here, it's Kilauea Iki. In 2018, the summit dropped 1,600 feet. Wow. Okay.
Whew! That was invigorating. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now that we're back from the Mount Kilauea field study, let's review what we've learned so far. Open up your science notebooks and refer back to the 4 types of volcanoes that you have already labeled and drawn so well. The shield, if you remember, the cinder cone, the composite volcano, in other words, stratovolcano, and the supervolcano. Remember, writing it, labeling it, saying it so you hear it, see it, is a great way to keep this in your long-term memory. The shield volcano has 4 magma content properties that make it so unique. So write this down in your science journal. A, viscosity. The shield volcano's viscosity is very fluid when it heats up. Gas amount. The gas amount is very low. Why? Because the composition is mainly made out of basalt. Shield volcanoes are formed from the ocean floor, mainly basalt rock content, not like the other 3 volcanoes we'll study in the future, which is mixed with basalt and feldspar, creating more of a violent chemical reaction. Well, the shield volcano in letter D, when you write down surface route, well, the flow direction comes from the center of the vent, and as the magma with high fluidity flows to the top, the lava ends up cooling slowly, less than 10 degrees, creating these shields. And after hundreds of years, the shield volcanoes, well, they are the largest mountains in the world. So let's review what you've learned about the shield volcano. On the left column of your notes that you've done a great job drawing this shield volcano with nice labels, add these 4 bullets. Important to remember that the shield volcano is the largest volcano on Earth, exclusively made up of basalt, and the lava is fluid with high viscosity. And when the lava has time to flow and cool, it creates a shield. These gently sloping sides, approximately 10 degrees or less. That means that the layers of solidified lava do create the largest mountains on this planet. Okay, this is the fun part of the lesson. Now that you're familiar with shield cones, you are going to be able to synthesize your own scientific knowledge. After researching the various links of shield cones all over the world, you'll be able to decide and create your own brochure, pamphlet, or maybe even a radio or podcast script, enticing travelers to come visit your favorite shield volcano. Well, volcanologists, that concludes our lesson on shield volcanoes, and I need to share with you that your classroom here is about 3 miles from the vent of Kilauea Iki, which means that when I turn off the lights, you will see the lava reflect off the plume. Wow.